This is the question what we have to do. Today we will complete this question first. How many cherries are there? You have to distribute in two kits. Then we have another worksheet which we will complete later. Okay, so I'm going to ask by guys, try to use your name in the class. Don't use any other name in the class. Try to use your name so that I can recognize you who you are. Don't use any other name. Your father, your mother, brother, no one. Okay, use your own name so that I can recognize you. I'm going to ask by one of you. Rakan, can you hear me? Rakan?
Okay.
Yes, Rakan. We had to distribute these cherries among two kids. Can you tell me how many total cherries are there? Count it first and tell me how many total cherries are there. Yes. How many total cherries are there?
Yes, sir.
How many total cherries are there? Count and tell me.
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Loudly.
18.
18. Very good. There are total 18 cherries and you have to divide among how many kids?
2.
Two kids. Very good. So the division sentence will be 18 divided by 2. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, if you divide 18 cherries equally among these two kids, so how many cherries will each kid get?
8.
8. If he gets 8,
9.
9. How do you know it is the 9? It is 9. How do you know? Yes.
Good.
Yes. Which method you are using? Are you using repeated subtraction or sharing into equal groups?
Cheering.
Sharing into equal groups. Okay. Very good. And you can also do with the help of table. You know the table of 2 in the last unit multiplication. We have learned the table of 2, 5 and 10. Mansoor Arshad. I think this father name. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
What is your full name?
Zafar Ashif.
Huzaifa. Huzaifa, I told you to use your name in the class. Don't use your father name. Okay.
Okay.
Now there are 18 cherries. You have to divide between two kids. Tell me how many cherries will each kid get?
2.
2. How to? You have to distribute all these to only these two kids. Yes. Yes. I can hear too much background noise here from you, Huzaifa. Too much background noise. Tell me the answer fast. How many cherries to one kid?
Four.
Okay. Huzaifa, I'll help you and you have to tell me the answer by yourself. We will follow the grouping method. We will make groups. Look here. How many kids are there? 2. We have to distribute among 2 kids. That's why we will make group of 2. Okay. Start making group of 2. Count this cherry 1 and 2. Make one group like this. Okay. Now again count 1 and 2. Again make one group. 2 groups are there, but still too many cherries are left. Make one more group. 1 and 2. Right? This is again count 1, 2. Make group. Why you are making group of 2? Because there are 2 kids. Again make group of 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Right? Now 1 and 2. This one and this 2. And this is the last group. 1 and 2. Now check how many groups you make. How many groups of 2 you make? Count the number of groups you make and tell me the answer. 9. So each kid will get how many cherries? 9. Very good. There were total 18 cherries. So you will write here 18. And you divide it into 2 kids. And each kid will get 9. Is that clear, guys? Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. I again repeat. Because you have to distribute between 2 kids, that's why you start making group of 2. You start making group of 2 and you make group of 2 in all cherries, 18 cherries, and then finally to find out the answer, you count number of groups. How many number of groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 groups. That's mean every kid will get 9 cherries. Let's come to the another worksheet. Here you can see, guys, there is one more worksheet and there is a question. Ring the object and write the correct answer in the boxes. So you have to write the correct answer in the boxes. Here you don't need to write division sentence. What is the question? Share 8 marbles equally. Share 8 marbles equally. I told you guys, whenever we talk about sharing equally, that's mean we are talking about division. Share 8 marbles equally between 2 boys. How many boys? Yes, guys. How many boys?
2.
2 boys. 2 boys. This is something very important, guys. What you are going to share, you should know how many the objects are there, and the other thing you should know that you are going to distribute among how many kids, how many children, how many people, how many boys. You should know it. So you are going to share 8 marbles equally between 2 boys. So I will take one of you. I will ask question and you will answer it. Muhammad Ahmad Almas.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. Can you tell me, if you share 8 marbles equally between 2 boys, so each boy will get how many marbles?
6.
6? How 6? They are total 8. They are total 8 marbles. If you give 6 to one of them, so one will get only 2. But you have to distribute 8 marbles equally. Equally means the both boys should have same number of marbles.
4
4. Okay. How do you know?
in my hand.
In your hand. You can do with the help of table also. Do you know the table of 2?
Yes.
Okay. Start table of 2. 2 1 times equals to?
2
Then
4
how many times? 2 times. Okay. Then very good, Yusuf,
6
Musab. Very good. And then yes,
8
8. How many times 8?
2
Okay, 4 times. And guys, I'm receiving your answers in the chat box also. I'm going to call their names. 8 marbles between 2 boys. Okay, Muhammad, Rashid, Musab, Yusuf, Muhammad. Very good. Muhammad, Ahmad Al-Badi, Arish, Muhammad Talha, Abdul Muid, Siddiq Ghalib. Okay, that's very good. All answers are correct. Okay. Yes, Suleiman.
Yes, sir.
Can you share these 8 marbles equally between 2 boys?
8 divided 2 equal 4.
Very good. How do you know?
1 by 1.
Okay, you share equal into 2 equal groups, one by one. You give this one to first group, one boy, this one to another boy, like this. Very good. Okay, very good. All right, guys. Now I'm going to solve it for you by making groups. Look, guys, because I am going to distribute among 2 boys. So I will make a group of 2 marbles. This is 1 and this is 2. So I make a group here. I make a group of 2 marbles. One group. Again, I give 1 to this boy, 1 to one boy, 1 to another boy. This means I am giving 2. So this is another group. Now 2 groups. Still 4 marbles are left. Again, I will give 2, 1 and 2. 1, 1. If I give marbles to each boy, that's mean I'll give 2. Another group, and again I will count 1 and 2, and I make a groups. So you can see, guys, how many groups are there? How many group of 2s are there?
4, sir.
4.
4.
Very good. And you all answered it correctly. The answer is 4. If you share 8 marbles equally in 2 boys, so each boy will get 4 marbles. Very good. Very good. Do you understand this grouping method, guys? How you can find out the division with the help of grouping?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very easy, sir. Very easy, sir.
Yes, it is very easy, guys. Just you need to know how many total objects are there, and you are going to distribute among how many boys, girls, children, kids. Come to the next question, guys. Question number 2. Share 15 marbles equally among 3 girls. Look, guys, now there are number of marbles are changed here. There were 58, but here you have 15. Now you have to share 15 marbles equally among how many girls? 3 girls. This is something very important. Okay, guys, first I need your answers in the chat box. Tell me the answer. Arish, very good. Rafiq, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Yusuf, I want answer. Okay, there are total 15 marbles, but I want answer. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Maamoon, very good. Huzaifa, very good. Uday, very good. Excellent, Umar. Very good, Rakan. Umar. No. Abdul Muid. Why 8? Check your answer again. How you are doing? Check your method again. Yes, Rakan, Hatim. No, Suleiman. It's not 7. Yeah, Sam Samir. Very good. Yes, Suleiman. Why 7? Why you telling 7? There are 15 marbles and you are sharing into 3 equal groups. Why you are saying 7? No, Suleiman. Suleiman Abdullah. It's not 4. Let me open the mic of Suleiman Alugeli so that I can ask him why he is saying 7. Yes, Suleiman.
What?
You think when we distribute 15 marbles equally among 3 girls, so each girl will get 7
I
marbles.
think it's 3 or 2.
Tell me how 7. If you distribute 15 marbles equally among 3 girls, how each girl will get 7?
Okay.
Yes. If you give one girl 7, the 2 girl will have 14 marbles. Only 1 marble will be left for the third girl.
Okay. 1.
So your answer is wrong. Tell me the correct answer now. And I will not help you. You have to answer me by yourself.
5.
5. Okay. How do you know?
I am counting.
You're counting. If you know the table of 3, you can do it. Or you can divide 1 by 1.
What is the table of 3?
3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4,
Okay.
12, 3, 5, 15, like this.
Yes, okay.
That's very good. I'll take one more student. Okay, I want one student who can help me to solve this. Musab. Musab Al Sayyed, can you hear me? Musab Al Sayyed, can you hear me? Muhammad Momin, can you hear me? Hello, Muhammad Momin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad, please tell me how to distribute 15 marbles equally among 3 girls. And each girl will get how many marbles?
5.
5. Okay, how do you know? Mm-hmm.
I did a subtraction.
Okay, you use repeated subtraction. Fantastic. Very good, very good. Arshuman, can you hear me, Arshuman? Arshuman, can you hear me? Okay. Who is next? Yusuf, can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes, Yusuf. Help me to share these 15 marbles equally into 3 girls and tell me how many marbles will each girl get.
15.
Yes.
15.
Very good.
Divide 3
Hmm.
equals 5.
Okay, very good. But how do you know? Which method are you using?
Divide
You know the table of 3?
3.
Do you know the table of 3?
3 marble.
Okay. All right. Yusuf, help me to make groups. Okay. I want to solve it through grouping method. There are 3 girls and we have total 15 marbles. So tell me, I should make group of how many marbles?
3.
3. Very good. Why 3?
3 girls.
Yes, because there are 3 girls. If we give every girl 1 marble, so girl 1, girl 2, and girl 3. So we need 3 marble to give. That's why we will make group of 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is the first group, right?
Okay.
Make another group. Count with me. 1,
1,
2.
2, 3.
Very good. Make another group of 3. 1, 2, 3. This is another group. Now again count. 1,
1, 2, 3.
3. Very good. Make another group here.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Make one more group. Okay. Now
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Now tell me how many groups of 3 you make.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each girl will get how many marbles?
5.
5. That's very good. This is the easy way, guys. If you forget all methods,
Very easy.
yes, very good. It's very easy. You can make a group and you can count the number of groups and then you can tell the answer. Thank you, Yusuf. Do you understand, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, guys, whenever I ask question to anyone, okay, you need to answer it by yourself. Okay, I am asking someone, some student is answering, but you have to answer by yourself. And when I tell you the answer, then match your answer, whether your answer was correct or not. If your answer is wrong, that's mean you did not get it. So you can send message in the chat box and you can ask and I will repeat for you. Okay, coming to the question number 3, that is share 12 marbles equally among 4 boys. Now there are 12 marbles and you have to distribute among 4. Not 2, not 3. Now you have to distribute among 4. So you have to tell me the answer. I will see the chat messages also. Sam Samir,
Yes, sir.
can you help me?
Yeah.
I can hear too much background noise, but please first. Okay, you can answer me on the chat box, Sam Samir. Too much background noise. I think this will be irritating to all students. Hatim,
Yes, sir.
yes, Hatim. We have to share 12 marbles equally among 4 boys. Tell me how can we do that and how many marbles will each boy get?
Everyone take 3.
Okay, very good. How do you know? Yes. How do you know? Your answer is right. Perfect.
Um,
Yes.
be- because I
Because.
am um
Mm-hmm.
uh um
Mm-hmm. Yes, repeat it, repeat it. Because which method you are using? Are you sharing one by one or you are making groups or you are dividing by using repeated subtraction? Okay, I'll take one more student. Moaz, can you hear me, Moaz?
Sir.
Yes, Moaz, tell me. We have to distribute these 12 marbles equally among 4 boys. How we can do it, and each boy will get how many marbles? Yes, Moaz, why are you silent?
Uh,
Muhammad Al Sheikh, can you hear me? Muhammad Al Sheikh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad Al Sheikh, tell me. Share 12 marbles equally among 4 boys. How can we do that?
Okay.
Each boy will get how many marbles?
Six.
6? How 6? How many boys are there?
4.
You will make group of how many marbles? Yes. In one group, how many marbles you will take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me. You will take 4 marbles. How many?
4 marbles.
Why 4? Because there are 4 boys. You are distributing 12 marbles equally among how many boys? 4 boys. That's why you will make a group of 4. If instead of 4 it is 3, then you will make a group of 3. If it is 5, then you will make a group of 5. If it is 10, then you will make a group of 10. If it is 2, you will make a group of 2. Is it clear? Yes. Is it
Yeah.
clear? Okay. Now you are going to make a group of how many marbles? Repeat again.
4.
4. Very good. Why 4? Because, yes. Why 4? Because there are, yes, because there are 4 boys. Count with me. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. These are 4. Make a group here. Again count. 1, 2, 3 and
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Again make one group here. Now count again. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
4.
How many groups you make?
4.
Count number of groups. How many groups are there? 3. So each boy will get how many marbles? Yes. Each boy will get how many marbles?
4.
3. For the answer, you will see how many number of groups you make. This is 1, 2, and 3. So you will check how many number of groups you make. You make 3 groups. So that's why answer is 3.
3.
Okay. If you make 4 groups, if there are 16 marbles, you will make 4 groups. So you will say each boy will get. You will count the number of groups and then tell. Okay. Thank you. Question number 4, guys. And I need answer from all of you for this question. Share 20 marbles equally among 5 girls. Now you have to distribute 20 marbles among 5 girls. Answer me in the chat box. Answer me in the chat box. Very good. Siddiq Ghalib, Suleiman, Rashid, Umar Nizar, very good. No Muhammad Al Sheikh, Yusuf, very good. No Muhammad Momin. When I ask you question, you just starting answering me. You don't make a groups, you don't check. Okay, Muhammad Ali, very good. Uday Hamad, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. You can take your time, okay, no problem. But answer me correctly. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Sayyid Uzaifa, very good. Muhammad Al Sheikh, very good. Look, guys, there are 5 girls. That means you will make a group of 5. So make a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make another group. Why you are making group of 5? Because there are 5 girls. And again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me, how many number of groups are there?
4.
Very good. So how many marbles will each girl get?
4.
Very good. You will see you will count the number of groups 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will say that each girl will get 4 marbles. This is how you have to answer. Don't confuse in writing the answer. When you make a group, remember 2 things. When you make a group, check to how many girls or how many boys or how many kids you are distributing and make a group of that. And when you are writing the answer, just count the number of groups. Don't count in one group how many balls are there. Just count how many number of groups you make and write the answer. So this is the end of our today's lecture. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.